On the target now.
Climbing to a high point to...
What's happened?
How should I say this? I seem to dark web. So, either these are LARPers with very active...
I've been following up on the few clues we got from that recording. Assassins, Templars, this in the 1860s. Killed some industrialist called... Crawford Starrick. All right then.
Making yourself traceable while still... DedSec and the Assassins. Did you ever imagine this happening? This sort of thing. If you can hack in and find my brother, I'll infiltrate and get him out. How does that sound?
Okay, I'm on it.
detainees. Along...
Assassins? Then that's where I'll bring the fight. Westerly told his people to search the Buckingham Palace grounds. That must be where the tomb is hidden. Meet me there, and we'll find a way in.
On it!
All right, you can do this. I can't believe I've never been down here before. Oh, what's taken me so long? Interesting. There they are. Evie and Jacob Fry. It is. I can't believe it. It fits. Let's do this.
Scour the tomb. Recover the artifact. The intruder is to be shot on sight. Understand? Yes, sir.
Shit. If I don't get out of here, I am done for.
You know, the whole hood and robe look hasn't been in for a few centuries.
Perhaps you don't understand what's happening here. I've killed you. You're dead.
And I get to die having lived a successful life. Be that hard.
Auto drive now enabled.
In just 3 short years, London has seen 15% of its workforce made redundant, and another 20% are expected to be added in the next 5 years, as artificial intelligence advances on nearly every sector of the economy. Tonight on GBB, we examine how the new age of automation is affecting the lives of Londoners who have lost or are about to lose their livelihoods.
The deadlock has been disabled. That artifact you were after is up for grabs once again.
You hear that? We got a creeper.
Time to go.
Powers these huge companies to control our society and make us do things. So lots of predictive technologies which are implemented by these
Auto
tech
drive now
giants.
enabled.
It's not only interested in knowing what we're going to do, but influencing the patterns of our movement. So technologies might suggest routes to use in the city, places to go, restaurants to go to, cafes to go to, music to listen to. And these suggestions are not just predicting what we might like to do, they're actually influencing.
Welcome to DedSec. Get ready to kick ass and feel good about it.
Banging! I'm gassed. When do we start bashing heads in?
Fantastic.
I'm gonna be hacking a shitload of people from now on.
That is disgusting. Excuse me, do you want to just move? Yeah. Deadly serious.
Need to borrow you for a moment. Focus. One more time. One more time.
Don't want to be doing that, geese. Moving during the scan. Here! Here! More pilot triggered an alert.
What? No, no, come on, I'm legal. This is... Piss off, here's a letter for you.
Cheers, gonna get hot.
I'm getting out of here right now.
Slap!
What's your problem?
What happened to you? I'll make this quick. I won't go back.
All units, I say again, all units, we have reports of a hostile in your area. Over. Control, we've received the call, over.
Oh, come on.
Putting an end to the chase now.
Let's take them down.
I like it. Well done. Keep it up. Harder. Let's dance.
That's it. I'll teach you a lesson, you prat.
Control, we are pursuing the suspect.
Jesus, is everyone a fucking arsehole these days?